Welcome back, guys, and it's Nathan VR and Crane VR. And today I'll be showing you how to become a bird in under 60 seconds. Yeah! Alright, so, you need fan. I need to kill yourself. You need to kill yourself. Okay. And you need to become a ghost. You can do a hoverboard fan or whatever. Do the fly glitch. Do the spawn. Okay. And then, yeah, you'll be flying. And then, you can either, it's optional, put it on your back, or you can just have this and you'll be a bird. So, have fun, guys. Stay safe. And, yeah, Crane VR out.